Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to find the connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see in the other section of the third position, we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Of course, here your device will again tell you what it will reset. So let's tap on reset settings. And here we've got also the information that you have to simply be patient because it might take several seconds and you won't be able to undo this action. So just tap on OK and simply wait. You should receive the information, just like here, that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the connection settings in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.